All about tool. The core of Taxmann.com research, this tool gives you all possible records around a section. For example, if I go to the income tax module and select section 6, it will give me all the connected documents to section 6. It has rules, which gives you rules prescribed in section 6. Words and phrases that are defined by the court to simplify legal jargon. Finance Acts gives you the number of amendments that the Income Tax Act have received over the years via the Finance Act. CBTT on Finance Act, which explains the government's rationale behind the amendments made. Commentary on Finance Act, which gives you an analysis of the impact of the amendments made in the Finance Act, distilled by Taxmann's editorial team. Commentary on IT rule gives you commentary on the rule concerning a particular section. In this case, IT Rule 126. Landmark rulings, as the name suggests, gives you a summary of all the landmark rulings in section 6. It gives you hyperlinks that allow you to entire ruling in one go. Circulars and notifications gives you a digest of the circulars and notifications that are currently in force.